Hello guys, and today we will check is the meme Kombat is scam or not. Okay, first video about meme Kombat I created 31 October, so almost 1.5 months ago. I hope I saved a lot of people from losing their money, because in short on previous video I talked about audit, and this audit has been prepared by Consult. So I checked this company and I found real meme Kombat audit. Also I checked all of information, and as you can see here we can check the token owner, and his balance was only $1,000. But as you can see on their website they write that they raised $2 million. So I checked all of information and I couldn't find this money. Also you can check the contract address, and here we can't check any informations about how much money is on the contract. So that's why they can write here whatever they want and we need to believe them. Also you can check their Telegram, and here is the official post. So only when the total supply will reach $10 million, the token will launch. But guys, as you remember, previous video I created 1.5 months ago, and then $1 million was invested in the game. That means that every month they reach $1 million. So only after 8 months they will reach $10 million. And you need to ask yourself, are you ready to wait so much time? Also, of course, per this time they can easily scam whatever they want. But if you buy this token and you are very lucky, so for example they reach $10 million, after that they can just steal your money and do not do pre-sale. Also they can easily scam after 1 month, after 2 months, so they will never reach $10 million. But if you believe on this project and you won't invest your money, you need to know. It should be noted that the team reserves the right to modify or change these milestones to meet project timelines or needs. So that means that after reaching $10 million they cannot launch the token. As they write it, they can easily modify or change these milestones, and for example after you wait this moment 1 year, they can easily tell you that they need $10 million more. And guys, you need to understand that they could not write this information because they can do whatever they want in any time. So that's why this meme Kombat is high risk. If you invest your money, you need to wait a lot of time, and also you can easily lose all of your money. That's why I recommend you this game. I already invested my $1,000, and this is new game. She's working only 21 days, and daily you will earn 2.2%. As you can see guys, the similar games can easily work 500 days. But for example, to reach 10 millions on meme Kombat you need to wait 8 months. So 8 months is 240 days, and every day you will earn 2.2%. So if you invest your $1,000 on this game, you will earn $5,280, and this is only per 8 months what you will be waiting. So that's why I really don't understand why the people stake their money on this game. You will not earn nothing per 8 months and you can lose all of your money. But of course guys, if you won't invest on meme Kombat, I recommend you to do this, for example after they raise $9 million. Why you need to do this now and wait a lot of time? Also subscribe on my channel to not lose new videos on the future. And if you want to play this game, just watch this video.